Hey guys, my name is Corey Keith with Top WordPress Websites. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my completely free course that's going to be offered right here on YouTube. And in this course, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website from start to finish. It's the year 2020 right now, it's September. Hopefully the course will be about 30 videos. It could be more, it could be less. And just a few things about me. Why is it called Top? T-O-P. It's actually an acronym for my company, which is Third Oak Productions. We're based here in Orlando, Florida. I am one of the co-owners of the company. I have 10 years experience in building and creating web apps and websites, generally all self-taught. Though I do have some formal experience in computer science. And definitely in every one of my videos, check out the video descriptions where I have links about anything that I talked about in the video itself. So why create a WordPress website to begin with? Well, you probably want to take this video, especially if you're trying to build a business creating websites for people. That's what I do for a living. There's a lot of people that need websites. Or maybe you just want to create a website for you or your business, maybe as a resume almost. A lot of people are doing that. They have a personal website for themselves, or they're starting a new business and they want to save some money by, instead of hiring a developer, someone like me who creates the website for you, they want to do it themselves. Before I forget, if you find that this is something that you're looking for, definitely hit the like button and definitely subscribe to this so that you can see the other videos as I push them out. I briefly want to talk about a concept of time versus money. Usually if you don't have a lot of time, you may have money, and if you are in that boat, then I actually don't recommend that you take this course. I recommend that you just hire somebody. If you have some money and you're building a business yourself, it's probably going to be a lot less headache for you to hire somebody to do this. Now, if you're in the opposite boat, if you have more time than money, then this may be the course for you. It depends on a lot. You don't have to be a coder or programming or have any experience in website development at all to take this course and to succeed in this course. There's really going to be no coding. You may have to change like a line of code that I would walk you through. But other than that, there's going to be no coding. But you do have to understand the basic concepts of a file structure in either a Windows or a Mac computer. You have to definitely know how to work a browser. You definitely have to know how to install things on a computer, like install new programs on a computer. Yeah, you definitely have to be somewhat computer literate in taking this course. If you're not computer literate, don't recommend you taking this course. I recommend that you hiring, if you're creating a business, definitely hire a web developer for you. And also, before I forget, if you want to hire me to do your next project, there's a link in the description where you could click on and you could fill out a little form, and it informs me about your project and how I could help you with it, whether it's a whole complete website, new website, or if it's just something that you need fixed in your WordPress website. And now keep in mind that there's certain times where I will not be accepting new clients just because of the amount of work that's coming in. But definitely reach out and I'll let you know if I'm taking on new clients or not. So what does it cost to build a modern WordPress website? And when I mean WordPress website, in the next video, we're going to talk about the differences between like WordPress.com and WordPress.org. But what I mean by your own WordPress website is actually having your own hosting space where you're going to create your WordPress website in. That's the most cost-effective way to build a WordPress website, and you could connect it to pretty much anything that's online right now. And that costs about $100 a year. So if you're going to take this course, you're probably going to have to pay that up front to each of the software providers that we're going to talk about within this course. So expect to pay at least $100 a year. There's always reoccurring costs with websites because you're actually renting out space, server space. and that there's always ongoing costs with that. The intention of this course is to understand only the essentials of what you need. Back when I was trying to learn all this, I kind of got information from here, from there, bits and pieces, and there was a lot of things that if somebody just explained to me up front, like exactly how your domain and your hosting all kind of work together, you know, that was a challenge. That was definitely a challenge for me. And so in this course, I'm going to break it all down, kind of show you graphs. I'm going to show you my computer screen and how the essentials that you need to create a website cheaply. So yeah, I think I went through everything. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in below. And definitely, that's it for now. Stay tuned for my next video. Again, my next video, we're going to talk about the differences between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. And the reason we talk about this is a lot of times people, you know, they hear WordPress, they just type in WordPress on Google, they click on the first thing that pops up, and most likely that's probably going to be the wrong option. So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll get into detail about what the right option could be for you. All right, well, please take care, take some action, and stay passionate to your legacy. Thank you.